The Klein Tools digital angle gauge with LED alerts, 935 DAA, is a versatile tool for measuring angles and acting as a digital level. Its magnetic base attaches securely to ferromagnetic surfaces, offering dual measurement ranges of 0 to 90 degree and 0 to 180 degrees. The angle alert feature, signaled by LEDs and a buzzer, simplifies angle attainment. The display ensures visibility with reverse contrast, with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.1 degrees in specific ranges. It suits electrical work, carpentry, plumbing, HVAC, construction, and DIY projects. Built for durability, it withstands drops up to 2 meters and boasts IP54 ingress protection. A low battery indicator adds convenience, making the Klein Tools digital angle gauge with LED alerts a reliable choice for varied applications. The Hart 20-volt LED clamping light kit is a versatile cordless LED light with a clamping mechanism for easy attachment to work surfaces up to 1.5 inches thick. Its pivoting head rotates 270 degrees, providing flexible illumination direction, and it offers 2 brightness settings to suit various tasks. Powered by a 20-volt Hart battery, the light delivers 900 lumens of output. It's an ideal solution for tasks like car repairs, home improvement, camping, and more. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this durable and reliable light is suitable for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Milwaukee M18 dual-bay simultaneous supercharger stands out as a highly efficient device, capable of charging 2 M18 batteries at the same time. Leveraging Milwaukee's Charge-Adapt adaptive charge distribution technology, it ensures that power is evenly distributed between the bays, guaranteeing rapid charging for both batteries. Complementing this is the RedLink intelligence feature, which liaises directly with the batteries, monitoring aspects like cell voltage, temperature, and charge status to optimize charge duration and extend battery lifespan. Some of its noteworthy features include the capacity to charge M18 red lithium and M18 red lithium high-output batteries, coupled with an impressive 5-year warranty. The Dewalt 20 volts max 1/2 XR high torque impact wrench, DCF 961, is a formidable tool, ideal for tasks from lug nut removal to automotive repairs and construction. With a brushless motor, it commands up to 700 ft-lbs of torque, placing it among the top-tier cordless impact wrenches available today. Some standout features include a 3-speed operation for nuanced control, an LED work light ensuring visibility in low light, and a tool-free quick-release chuck streamlining bit changes. Its high-efficiency motor promises extended runtime, and its robust construction guarantees longevity. For both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this impact wrench is a beacon of reliability and power. Its 3-year limited warranty further underscores its value proposition. The STIHL KMA 80 cordless KombiEngine is an adaptable and multi-use tool suitable for tasks ranging from trimming to brush clearing. Driven by a STIHL AK20 battery, it boasts up to 40 minutes of runtime. This engine harnesses a robust electric motor providing 1.2 kilowatts of power, coupled with a 3-speed pre-selection for task-specific speed adjustment. What makes the KMA 80 stand out is its compatibility with numerous STIHL Kombi tools, allowing for swift task transitions without the need for multiple tools. It's a user-friendly and lightweight device, suitable for both homeowners and professionals. Battery life, however, can vary based on the task intensity and battery type. An LED indicator conveniently provides battery life insights. The Hart 20-volt hybrid LED tripod light, emitting a striking 2,700 lumens, is an essential for various outdoor activities ranging from car repairs to camping adventures. This versatile light is powered by a 20-volt Hart battery, with the alternative option of using an extension cord for direct power. With its dual brightness settings, users can customize the intensity, while its head offers a wide 270 degrees pivot to focus illumination precisely where required. An added feature includes its height-adjustable tripod, ensuring optimal light positioning. Noteworthy attributes encompass its 2 700-lumen capacity, 2 distinct brightness levels, adjustable height, and the convenience of both battery and corded power. Its design, while robust, is collapsible, ensuring easy storage. The Makita 40-volt Max XGT brushless 612 circular saw Ours Capable is a Paramount tool tailored for diverse woodcutting needs. Its brushless motor achieves an impressive 5,200 revolutions per minute, ensuring swift cuts, and paired with a 0 or 50 degrees bevel capacity, angled cuts are effortless, especially with positive stops at 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, and 50 degrees. Another striking feature is Makita's AUS technology, optimizing performance through battery communication and safeguarding against overloads. Among its notable traits are an LED work light, electric brake, dust blower, and its featherweight frame at just 7.8 pounds with a 4.0A battery. Designed for both professionals and avid DIYers, it promises reliability and versatility in woodcutting tasks. Woodpecker's stainless steel step gauges stand out as essential precision measuring tools for setting rotor bits and saw blade heights. Constructed from 3/32 inches thick stainless steel, their design is laser cut, assuring unparalleled accuracy. Available in two distinct styles: RTS, router thickness setting, with 16 steps in 1/16 inches increments ranging from 1/32 inches to 1/14, and DP, drill press, featuring 12 steps in 1/32 inches increments from 1/16 inches to 1/932. To utilize, simply position the gauge so the desired height aligns with the bit or blade and then make the necessary adjustments. Built to last, these gauges embody precision and durability, making them invaluable assets for woodworkers. The STIHL BGA 300 cordless blower is the epitome of both power and versatility, ideal for tasks like clearing leaves, debris, and even snow. Its robustness is sourced from a 36-volt STIHL or 3000L battery, allowing the blower to run for a remarkable 140 minutes. Integral to its performance is a brushless motor that generates up to 26 newtons of blowing force and an imposing airspeed of 192 miles per hour. Its adaptability is highlighted by the adjustable 4-speed setting, ensuring precise power delivery. While it's a powerhouse, the BGA 300 prioritizes user comfort, weighing a mere 16.5 pounds without its battery and furnished with a shoulder strap for easy transport. This blower seamlessly marries powerful features with a user-centric design. The Milwaukee 25-foot compact tape measure combines a wide, easily readable blade with a built-in LED light. Its magnetic hook and rechargeable battery, lasting up to 2.5 hours, elevate convenience. Enhanced with an IP54 rating for durability, it's topped off with a reassuring 5-year warranty. A must-have for professionals and DIYers, this tape measure promises precision and longevity. The Milwaukee Red Lithium USB Bluetooth job site earbuds offer professionals a dust and water-resistant solution for on-site audio needs. With a 10-hour battery life, comfortable fit, and noise isolation, they ensure quality sound. Their Bluetooth connectivity and built-in microphone enhance convenience. Backed by a 5-year warranty, they are a dependable choice for music and podcast enthusiasts on the job site. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.